This video showcase the new changes migrated to PACE related to home page and service request listing page. I have logged in as a vertical lead. The screen you are looking into is the landing page of the vertical lead user. Home contains my queue and my alert. Under my queue VL will view SRS which WLL require an action from the vertical lead users. Click on the number present on the tile. This shows the list of service requests which are in status not equals to completed, rejected, cancelled, started. Basically the SRS which are in draft, submitted, proposal requested and resource allocated status. The Authrotion on SR tile shows all the open SRS. Tile proposal requests shows the list of proposals. Click on the number on the tile. This shows the list of proposal requests which are in status not equals to accepted by DPM, closed, cancelled and assigned to the logged in user. The alert window has been expanded to show at least 10 alerts at a time and a scroll option. Alert window is the list of system notification triggered for a specific action or a reminder. Go to service requests from left menu. This will show the listing page of SR. New fields active HC, proposed HC, and allocated individuals are added on SR listing page. Open the service request details page to check how the newly added columns are updated by system. Let's take the proposed HC. Proposed HC gets updated based on the active in profiles created under the service request. Click on Engineering Profile tab to check the list of engineers under a service request. Based on the count of engineers, the proposed HC gets updated in the service request. Here is an example showcasing the details. This column gets updated daily and check for the in nodes active on the current date. Say March 1st is the date when the script gets executed and there are 5 in profiles. Script will check for start and end date. The ones falling within the current date will be picked and the count of engineers becomes the proposed HC of the service request. Let's take the next column active head count. This active HC gets updated daily based on the active allocations under a service request. Under assignments there is a list of resource allocations under a SR. Active HC, this is the count of active resource allocation considered with percentage applicable, decimal format. The third column here is allocated individuals which is also updated based on resource allocation. Allocated individuals, this is the count of active resource allocation under the service request. It updates just the active counts of resource. Let's take an example to understand the calculation. Active HC and allocated individuals gets updated daily based on resource allocation data under the SR. It checks the allocation which falls under the current date range. Script includes the completed allocation as well if the completion date is falling under the current date.